What's up, YouTube? So, I was placing some trades and thought it was recording. For some reason, it wasn't. So be it. So, I'll place a few more. If you're part of the Telegram group, you'll see I posted that I made around 270 yesterday. I say yesterday because it's 1 a.m. now. So, it's a new day. Not for me. I don't consider it a new day till I go to sleep, wake up. But whatever. I did say I'll try to go in here and make another 30. And to make it 300 and try to shoot a video. Kind of did that. It didn't record, so let's just make a few trades, see what we can do, and then we'll check and see what we have from what's technically considered this next day here. Might have got in a little late there. We still got it, but should have gotten in sooner. This candle's pretty much been trending up. I mean, you see it's faking reversals here, but for the most part, it's been coming up all the way here and staying up. Broke even on that. Let me just wait a little bit and see what's up. Okay, we're coming up or not. All right. I pretty much just caught it on that retraction there. So there will be two trades. I think I can do these $5 trades all day, to be honest. I just have to make some time and just sit in this chart, do my thing, and see how much I can make. Let's see, come up a little bit, then hit it down. There you go. So what I did here, I just saw it in the oversold position, and then I just wanted it to retract some, and I didn't know, but from my experience, when it does that, like it's in the oversold, even overbought, whichever, and the way the candle was moving, I just recognized like that signature. It would come up to kind of like fake you out because you were gonna keep trading it down, but it would come up and then come back down. So I was just waiting for it to come up and then hit it, and it came back down. But you can see that in the video, right? You can rewind it and just see. You can pretty much hear me narrate it, and that this is kind of like the same situation. Here I wait for it to come down a little bit, and now so it lagged on me a little bit there. Yeah, it hit me with some lag, but I was waiting for it to retract a little bit and then come up. It kind of shot up, but then just came all the way back down. So it's kind of weird. That was kind of weird, but it's whatever. That's life. We'll take it. There's trades, you feel like you should win, you lose, and then vice versa. There's trades where you made a mistake and it ends up going in your direction. So I'll take the good with the bad. Come on. Yeah, there you go. It's like 3 trades. I believe it's going to come back up again. Just waiting for the stochastics to come back up here on the line chart. If it does. Let's see. No. A little fake out there. Okay, this chart's lagging a little bit. Maybe not the chart, but maybe my connection. So I should probably call it quits here soon. Or try another chart. See if it's the chart or if it's my connection. You know, to avoid unnecessary losses. I believe that's 4 trades. We'll try to go for like 7 maybe. Let's see how it goes. If I continue to have problems, I'll just call it quits. Come on. Really though. Okay, so I was just completely wrong there. 10, 20. So yeah, now it's going down. See, it was faking me out here. And I fell for it. Kind of being impatient also. Five. Let's try 2 more trades. Let me just try to get one decent one in. Be done with it. I want to go down here, but it's the end of the candle, so I'm not sure what it's gonna do here. Might have to switch charts. There you go. Yes, sir. So this chart here, you know, depending on what video you watch or whatever, I mean, there's always different scenarios. But normally, like, if I see it shoot up, I'll just hit it going up and it'll keep going. But I noticed with this one, it'll shoot up, retract a little bit, come back up. So y'all saw me waiting for it to retract, and then I hit it going in that direction. So it shoots up, I let it retract, and now I hit it going up, and then it'll come back up for me. But yeah, that's about it. Like I say, you just gotta get a nice little rhythm going for the chart. So my trades haven't updated yet. I don't know, it's been taking a while here. It shows 31 trades. I was just messing around with dollar trades earlier, but it wasn't in the negative. So we'll just wait for it to update. But should amount to around $30. And let's see. Taking forever. I want to get to doing $20 trades soon. Hopefully by next week I'll be making $20 trades. Yeah. And, you know, it'll just grow faster then. But I'm not even going to get there right now. I'm not going to do it. My account's not big enough right now. Had a withdrawal last week. Let's go. Made a withdrawal last week. What's up with this, yo? There we go. There we go. So it finally updated. 41 plus the $4.60 I just got here. So about 45. Just wanted to stay in long enough so y'all knew I wasn't, on that board. The trades were just updating slowly. Whenever y'all see me with a lot of trades, but yeah, whenever y'all see me with a lot of trades, I'm mainly just in here doing dollar trades, just and not even in here on my phone. I got a bad habit that when I'm on my phone, I'll go on there, I'll check the chat, answer a few questions maybe, and then I'll just make some trades on my phone using the line chart, but just a dollar. I don't know, just to get it out my system. I don't know if it's I wouldn't say addiction, but being there, with a dollar, make like $5. It's cool. I mean, it doesn't, for me, it doesn't change a lot, but I have nothing else to do. So just staying on top of my craft, just seeing how the charts are moving, and while I have nothing to do, just supposed to open the phone, make a couple of dollar trades, maybe sometimes get into the tournaments. But it used to be, I could be tripping. It used to be odd times. Now it's even times. Like normally, right now there would be a tournament, but now it's like on even hours, like 2, 4, 6, etc. Can't pass this one up. There we go. All right, so we should be at almost 50 then. So I was shooting for 30, but the trades weren't updating. Yeah, see, my last trade before this one hasn't even updated yet. So almost 50, 40 something probably for this day so far. I'll get back in it a little later and have a longer session. But again, I don't. Yeah, I'm trying to keep it quick and short. Hit y'all with a couple of videos and just keep it moving. I feel like recording adds pressure, and also trying to explain what you're doing while you're doing it. You kind of take your entries not last late. You take your entries late because you're talking about it instead of doing it. To me, that's just me. That's how it works for me. So my trading's better when I'm not recording, not explaining anything or talking about anything. When I'm just focused on the chart movement and doing my thing. So recording, you know, kind of hinders that a little bit. But that's just me. That's just my psychology, how it affects me. It might not be that way for everyone, but it's added pressure. I like it when it's no pressure, just doing my thing. Cause I can't be out here losing, right? I mean, if I lose, I lose. And I think did I post a losing session before? When I did my I don't know if I ever recorded during a losing session, but because I keep them short mainly. But I think when I did my yeah, I might have had one. I think I had a losing session. There's a video where I've lost like I'm down like two trades and I'm down like $20 or 40. I'm not sure, and I just pretty much say that's it for the day, and I quit. And then I came back the next day, and you know, got that back and some. Nah, broke even. Yeah, I was right. I was wrong, but I was right. But I'll break it. I'd rather break even and lose that trade. Well, that's my cue. Um, I'm out of here. It's taking forever to update. There it is. So yeah, 50. Cool. I'll take that 50, add it on to my 270 from yesterday, which is kind of like still today, right? This is not a new day to me. Um, so I'm just gonna go through my routine and because I work nights, so even on my off days, I'm up during these hours. So I'm just gonna go ahead and live my life right now and holla at y'all tomorrow and update y'all on how I did. Join the Telegram group. There's some good information in there. Some profitable traders in there, and they have shared some good information. And there was a person that shared some screenshots that I didn't think of doing because you could see he shared a screenshot of where he placed his trade. You know what I mean? Like his trade going down or whatever. But I think he placed it on the line chart, and he'll have an arrow like going down, but you'll be able to see, you know, the whole setup, like what was doing what at the time. You could see how smooth the stochastic was, and that's a good idea. I didn't think of that, and I think that's very helpful to actually let people see exactly what was going on in that moment. What was the stochastic doing on the line chart? What was the candlestick looking like? And what was it looking like before? What did it look like after? You know what I mean? Like what movements was it making? How's he choosing his entries? So I think I will possibly do a video where I'm not doing Martingale eventually. So, you know, because I got tired of doing the instructional video, saying the same thing I'm saying over and over. Because, you know, it's the same information I'm going to give, maybe not in the same order or whatever, because, you know, none of this is scripted. I'm just going, you know, off the dome. But, you know, it would probably be better if it was scripted. But then, you know, it's kind of like I'm putting together a course and now I got to start charging, right? Is that how that works? Nah, but since it's free, man, you know, I barely get into the charts as much as I would like. So, you know, I give you what I can give, but being in a group I think would help you. But if you do want to learn in the group, you do have to ask questions. You got to tell us what problems you are having, and there might be some people in there that can give you their opinion to help. But I do think that my next video of value, you know, instructional type video would be, I don't know, but it wouldn't be a video. I have to figure out how I would put it together. No, yeah, I could do a video. What I'll do is record a video where I'm taking kind of like some sniper entries or basically just being real patient, taking some good entries, and basically best case scenarios. Like I mean, I would trade this candle down here, but that's just because I know, not I know, but see what I mean. Like I'm pretty used to how the charts move. I can see, you know, what kind of pattern it's going through and do my thing, but this would be hard to explain. I wouldn't tell you to trade here. I'll tell you to look for the smoother lines here and kind of just make your educated moves. But like not in here where it's all choppy. But like I say, even when I was saying I would trade it down, you saw it was going down, and I would have won some trades. But this I can't really explain. You know, I can't explain how I came to that conclusion. I just know it. I just see it. You know, I recognize certain patterns, and that comes from experience. You get used to the candle movement. That's what I want to say. So I will probably shoot a video where I'll have you choose better entries, but then I'll mark it up to where, not mark it up. I will shoot a video for myself, and then I will take screenshots of it and mark it up like the guy in the group did, with arrows showing where I entered at, and then I'll be able to explain here and here in the line chart and by the candles with the stochastics explain why I took those entries, what it was doing, what I was thinking. So I think that'll be, I think that would be good. I think that would be good. So I can just show you different entries and what setups to look for. I think that would be next level for me. And I got that idea from the guy in the group because somebody asked for some help with entries, and he pretty much just screenshotted all his entries. Not that that was real interesting um, and helpful, and that's what the group is for. Because I wouldn't have thought of doing that at all. So, so yeah, I'll shoot a video for myself, choose some really good entries, and what I'll do is just screenshot after the video, and what I think I'll do is like charts like these where it's just trending in one direction mainly. You know what I mean? But it's just going up. It's not reversing here, and it just continues up. Maybe do like some charts that are trending up, charts that are trending down, and then the charts that are on this nice smooth pattern. You know what I mean? You know, reversing every 7 to 10 candles or whatever the case. So we'll see. We'll see. That's something I'll have to work on. So give it time. It won't be the next video. Okay, let me leave it alone. But I do want to trade this candle going down here. This is a classic sniper entry type situation. See what I mean? So like stochastics cross, you know, you got your candle red crosses, and then the next candle will most likely be red as well. And you just, you know, whenever the stochastic comes up and starts going back down, you trade it down. And you'll get like 2, 3 entries just that candle. You let it retract, and then when it starts pushing back down, you just go down with it. And, you know, that's kind of like the sniper entry video I had. Like if I had to choose a situation, it would be this situation here on this second candle. I mean, you can probably hit it here too, but you're kind of unsure. You don't know if it's going to reverse, if it's actually going to cross or not. But once it does on that second candle, you can kind of take advantage because you're sure of yourself or whatever the case. So the chart's in a good situation right now, really. Also, when I up my trades next week to like $20 a trade, I'll probably but I do plan on it. I want to. If I up my trades up to $20 a trade, you'll probably see me take more careful trades because that can get expensive real quick. So yeah, we don't want to play no games with that. With the $5, I have a lot more entries before it gets pricey for me. But with $20, it'll happen real quick. So let me just get out this chart because the more I look at it, the more I want to place trades. And I already made what I want to make for the day. The 270 plus this 50. And I'll holler at y'all at a later time. See y'all in a group. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll post a Telegram group in the comments once again, but it is in the description. Eventually, I'll stop putting it in the comments. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just trying to reach as many people as possible. But it is in the description. So holla at your boy. And deuces.